Hello, good morning, friends. Today we will talk of the trend lines in the simplest way. It has been my desire, right from the beginning, that so many things are written in the books and magazines and some research papers, and people, try to tell everything. And in the process, what happens is the simplicity is gone. So we will try to hold on to the simplicity. And friends, we will talk of the trend line. So first of all, friends, what is a trend line? Or we say, what is a trend? Friends, this trend indicates whether the price of the share is going up, price of the share is going down, price of the share is sideways, or the price of the share is going down. So you can see here, this is uptrend, this is sideways, and this is downtrend. So up, down, and so trend is indicative of the movement of the price, and trend line is indicative of the movement of the price in which direction, whether it is up, sideways, or it is down. Then friends, what is the what are the benefits of the trend line? You can see from here, the first benefit of the trend line is that a trader should follow the trend, never go against the trend. It is indicating now if the price is going up and you are taking a contra call, you are going to lose the money. So first benefit is that enables the trader can trade along the trend. The second advantage is it gives the support and resistance. Say for example, friends, this is or supposing a trend actually is falling. If the trend is falling, then this line actually is a resistance line. The moment the price touches this, it falls. And then it goes sideways for some time, and eventually it picks up. So when it picks up, then it gives us the support price. That means whenever the price will come here, it will rise. Whenever price will come here, it will rise. It will rise. So it is giving a support line or support price. Fine. And this is giving us a resistance price. You can trade along with this. As far as the side trend is concerned, this sideways trend is concerned, this also gives us a support price, and this gives us the resistance price. Now you will say that this is something like support and resistances. We will talk about this in the subsequent lecture, but for the present moment we say that when it falls, the top one actually gives us the resistance prices, and when it goes up, the lower ones give us the support prices. So a trader should be cautious at these kind of prices. Whenever the price falls, it will go up. Whenever the price, along this line, the price is likely to go up and the price is likely to go down. The next question arises is, can we trade with trend line alone, my answer is yes and no. This actually I will answer you in about 5 minutes time. Just hold on to it. Then friends, this is actually what has been told in the books and at many places, which I have tried to crystallize in a very short way. Now we see something which are untold. The first thing that is untold is that trend line is traders' friend line. Never break the rule. Trade along with the line, trade along with the trend. It becomes your friend and eventually it becomes your earning line also. Second, trend line is best. Trend line is best combined with MACD and moving averages. Friends, this is our clear understanding that we don't depend only on one indicator. We always have to check with more than one indicator, 2 indicator or 3 indicators before we take any buy call or sell call. Third point is untold story. Draw trend line on charts, or I will say draw trend line on line charts for maximum see. There is no point actually. I find actually no point when the better thing is available. 100% better thing is available. Why should we not use line charts and use for the purpose of showing to the public, that I am using a candlestick chart or some other chart. Line charts gives a maximum accuracy of trading along with the trend line plus MACD and moving averages. Fine. So they are the best results. And friends, I will say that I will again repeat that your trend line is your friend line and at the same time is your earning line. Never forget this. This is your earning line. Because see, you have to, if you want to walk on the road, you have to have your eyes on the ground. So this is the ground condition trend line that that you have to go up, you have to jump somewhere, you have to go sideways somewhere, like that. Therefore, if you are in the share market, before investing any kind of investment, see what is the trend. If the trend is up, you can be rest assured 60% of chances are, even if you make mistake, you will earn the money if the share is good. But if you don't see the trend and start trading, I think it is a grand mistake that any trader can make, and one should really avoid it. So friends, thank you very much. Same thing, we are going to check on the real charts also, so be with me for a while. But at the same time, friends, I will request you to please subscribe to my video on YouTube and also on the Facebook. Thank you. So friends, here actually I am just trying to draw the trend lines here. Now if you really see here, in this there is a clear cut You can see here there is a, this is the support, and this is the resistance here. You can see okay. Then you can see here the trend, or what I will say is this is the support line and this is the trend line. Fine. Now let us see here, the trend actually was going down here. You can see here, now this actually line got a support actually around somewhere around here. This is not, which is always very perfect, but you can see the trend was down. Here it was taking support. The moment it has broken this resistance, actually it has gone up. Now for quite some time the price is playing between, these are the highs and these are the lows. 2 points you can see, they are playing around these points. Or if you want me to be little precise, no, this is perfectly alright. And similarly friends, you can see here the trend was in the up direction. It is touching here, so you can see here even the trend here was in the up direction. Till it broke the line, this went little out of the way. And now friends, point is that if we say entry point and exit point, this is here giving the entry point, and the moment it has broken here, it has given actually the sell point, because the trend line it has broken. You must actually sell it, and then it is to be confirmed by the indicators like MACD and moving averages. However, you see, I think this this trend is perfectly alright, or I'll say that better trend line. If I were to draw, I'll draw the trend line like this. It has broken perfectly alright. This has broken actually the trend here. So this trend is up, fine. This trend is up, fine. This trend is up. This trend is down. And now I will again draw one more line, which is this line. It is saying this trend also is down. Now point is that from here somewhere in the month of March, today we are talking on the 7th of November. If you just draw the price here close to this price, it would have been somewhere around 285. Fine, 283 something. Just check here. So these prices would have been here, and you can see the trend. The movement actually, and then this is not coming up. This is actually, it has not crossed. Rather, it has fallen down. It has fallen down, and then it has taken an uptrend here. This uptrend actually has to be confirmed by MACD and moving averages or RSI or any other indicator that we will be discussing later on. So friends, if I were to summarize it, you can see here the sideways market. This is actually a support line, this is actually a resistance line, this is actually uptrend, this is uptrend, and this is downtrend. And similarly friends, a downtrend, you can see here also there is a clear cut downtrend. So what I will suggest friends, that what I suggest is that you try and draw these trend lines, and you will find that you become an expert within no time. And say, okay, I will put here the support line also, I will put somewhere around here. It is not a support line, actually I don't call it a support line, this is actually a wedge formation here. So this is something like this, and here it is taking support. Now it is say, if I were to draw a support line, let me see if the support line was coming somewhere around here. Yes, this is taking support here, clear cut support it was taking. So it has broken the support and it has gone down, because support line always it can go down or it can go up. Similarly from resistance line it has gone up. So this is all about the trend line and the support lines, resistance line. I really request you to draw a couple of times, and you will become an expert in this. And if you want to see, you can see one more here. I will draw like this here. see the trend actually is falling down, or it to be actually minimum 2 points have to be there. If 3 were there, it was good. So see the trend actually is falling here. The moment it has broken this part up, it has gone up. Number 1. Number 2, friends, these also you can see along with the chart patterns which we have earlier seen in the line chart. You can see here double bottom, you can see here double top, you can see here double top and falling, you can see here head and shoulder pattern, you can see here double top. So these lines actually have to be read in, these charts have to be read in various ways along with the trend line, and you can almost about say 95% confirm whether trend is going to be down or trend is going to be up. But nevertheless, as long as your price is moving above this, you are earning till it breaks this, confirmed by up or down trend confirmation. The ending of up and down trend has to be confirmed by moving averages and MACD lines. So friends, thank you very much, and have a nice day.